All right, let's recap today's recipes. First, the Japanese croquettes, or korokke. Sauté the seasoned ground pork and onion. Mash the microwaved potatoes and season with salt, sugar, and nutmeg. Mix together. Shape into cylinders, coat in flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs, and deep fry at 180 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Then drain. Next, the coffee jelly. Add gelatin and sugar to your favorite coffee and stir to combine. Add Kokuto and mix. Pour into glasses and chill until set. Serve with whipped cream, and that's it. These sumptuous, beloved Japanese dishes are just waiting for you to prepare them.